Today we're about to remove the front seats off this 04 Max. Easy, man. Easy. Just 4 bolts in each one and the wires. First thing first, don't disconnect the battery first. Do that after, like when you're about to do the connectors. Alright? Let me show you. Okay, tools you will need. You're gonna need 14. I got a short one and I got a long one on the ratchet, because I like loosening the seat first, then use the electric gun to drill it out, make it faster. Flathead, take off the plastic pieces on there, and this puller, outer clip puller, or whatever you want to call this, you definitely need this. Okay, the reason why you have to keep your battery on, so you can move the seat. You have to move the seat back when you're doing this, so you gotta go all the way back and take this cap off, both sides. One there, one right there. Take this off. It should come right off. If you want to put it back, you can put it back. Some people don't, because that shit's a bitch to go back on. Now let's take off this one. You might need a flathead to take this shit off. Yeah, let's get a flathead. Got the flathead. Okay. Take it off like that. See the 14s, both sides. This is why I have this one, so I could loosen it first. Then I could just use a drill it out. So let's use this first, take it off. Well, to loosen it, just loosen it. See, till it's a little loose like that. Now let's do the other side, like so. Boom, boom. Okay. Now, see, now take the drill and just speed that shit out, man. Speed it out. Just like that. Now let's do the back. Before we go to the back, let's move the seat up this way. Move it all the way up, all the way until it stops. Now, bring tools to the back. See, same thing for the back. There's the covers for this shit. Let's pull it off. Okay. Me, I'm doing a part out, so I don't have to put that shit back. Now let's do this one right here on the other side. Okay. Put that somewhere. Now let's loosen the bolts here. This one over here. Some people do the bottom one, which I don't get, unless you're taking the whole thing out and you don't need this, but you need this if you're just replacing the seat. You know what I'm saying? So just do the top one and you should be good, man. Okay, loosen this. Next one, loosen this one up. You might need 2 hands. I'm good. Now, use a drill. Boom. Okay. That off. Just like that. Now, to get to the wires, you have to tilt the seat all the way back. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You gotta move it, but you gotta just tilt it. Put the screws somewhere you can find it. Now let's tilt the seat back like this. Okay, let's do the wires. Okay, now to be on a safe side, let's disconnect the negative terminal off the battery. Take this off. That. Put this aside. Now, there's connectors for the airbag, and there's a connector for the motor for the seat. This is the one right here. This one here. Just squeeze that shit, pull it out. This one over here for the motor and shit. I don't know if you see it. It's right here. Just pull it out like that. Should pull it out. There's another one right here. Push it up, pull out. There's one. This one is right here. You gotta disconnect it right here. Just like that. This is what I'm using to take this shit out. Then I go down, just pull.
pull it out. I don't know why these are so hard to come out, yo. Let's put the clips on there. Alright. It's out. Now let's do the this one right here. Same thing over here. Like that. Like that. Now, I don't know what this bag doing here, but it's weird. Just tuck it in. Tuck it in there. Let's take this one right here. Pull it off. Some people, they will wait like 15 minutes, 20 minutes for the airbags. You could do that if you want. Be on the safe side. Airbag connector is right under here. So lift this up like so. And it's right here. Now, let's take this off with this right here. The puller outer tool. Okay, now I guess you gotta slide that back because it stayed right here. I don't know if you see it. Put the flash. This stayed right there. Put it back if you want. Now take this. You see this thing right here? See that? You gotta pull down on it and pull it out. Boom. Hey, we missed one right here. There's one on here. Take that off. And you gotta take this whole thing out right here. So use this. Take this out. Okay. Okay. You took that out. Now these are your wires for the car. Now if you want to put it back, just put it the same way you took it out. Put it back. The airbag goes on under here, or the plugs in here for the motors and stuff goes here. Ain't that difficult, you know. So now let's do the other side, passenger. Okay, same thing with the passenger side. Put it all the way back to the front. Make sure your battery is connected, because remember we took it off. Make sure it's connected and you move it back all the way up until it maxes out. Now take off plastic pieces. It's a flathead for this. Take this shit off. Sometimes it's easy to come out with your hand. Sometimes it is not. Now let's do it right here. Same thing. Push it up. Use your hands to pull it. Now use a ratchet, loosen it. You know the deal. We did it in the driver's side. You know the deal. Loosen it. Same thing here. Loosen it. Okay, as soon as you loosen it, use the drill. Take that whole thing out. Just like that. Just like that. Alright, now before you go to the bag, let's move this forward. Move that forward. All the way forward till it maxes out. Now, let's take your tools to the back. Okay, just like the like we did before. Take off the plastic piece. Take off the plastic. Oh, damn, shit's. Now go to the corner. Use that with your hand. You have to use a flathead for that one. That was easy. Same thing for this one. Use a flathead. Let's get your ratchet. You know the deal. Loosen this. Loosen that. Loosen this one. Drill. Speed drill. Take this off. This one too. Goes out. Those two. Oh, this fell off. Okay, now let's put it down, and remember, disconnect the battery. If you're cutting it, you definitely need to disconnect the battery. I had the battery in before, and I cut it, and you see that shit sparking. Shit was crazy. See back first. that. Yeah, this one look kind of the same as the driver's side. I thought it would be a little less connectors, but guess not, because you know this seat is heated seat, all that stuff. It's heated. I think there's airbags in them too. But all right, just unplug this one, top one first. Unplug this one, top, right near the motor. That one, this one on the motor. On the motor right here. Boom. This one. So connect these. This one. Remember, we gotta go right here for this one. Take that off. And this one here. Oh, squeeze this. Now this side, you have to take this off. Now get your puller outer tool, clip tool, and just take that off like that. Disconnect this one right here. You have to pull this out too. Okay. Now let's do this one right here. Same thing with this one. Take this off. This. Don't break shit. Make sure you do not break nothing. Okay. Now, let's do the last thing. It's the airbag. Remember, it's under the carpet. So pull this up. This should be right here. Let's take this off a little like this. Take this out. Like so. Airbag thing right here. It's on this side. I should just pull this whole thing off. We did that on the other side, so I thought it would be easier. Now, it's right here. See that? Take the clip. Squeeze on this and pull. Pull on it. Okay, once you pull it off. Alright, all the connectors are off. Now let's take the seat out.
Hold up, wait. Hey, hold up, nigga, wait. Okay. Wait. Okay.
Hey, and that was it. Had to remove both sides, driver's side and passenger side. It wasn't that hard. Yeah, so I'm selling these seats, so I'm not gonna put them back. So the same way you take it out the car, the same way you put it back. And so when you gotta move the seat, that's when you connect the battery, move the seat, put the bolts in, put the caps on there if you want to put it back. You don't have to put it back. Some people don't because the shit's stupid. But anyways, you put the caps back on there and move the seat again, put the other bolts in the front, then put the plastic piece if you want. Alright, if you have any questions or you're stuck, comment below or hit me on Instagram, Food Mechanics, and don't forget to give me a like, man, if I helped you out, and subscribe. Later.
Step, nigga be step, but watch how I lean